It's hard to overstate how important artificial intelligence is today. You might have heard people talking about it a lot recently. But with all this hype, it can be difficult to separate the reality from the science fiction. So let's start at the beginning. From the dreams of ancient philosophers to the breakthroughs of modern science, humanity has always imagined creating intelligence beyond itself. But what began as myth and speculation has now become reality. This is the dawn of artificial intelligence. To understand where we are, it helps to know where we came from. So let's go back to the very beginning. 350 BCE, when the Greek philosopher Aristotle pondered a seemingly simple question. Can non-living things like machines think? At the time, this question had no practical significance because the idea of a thinking machine was purely a philosophical thought experiment. There was no way to turn a lifeless hunk of metal into something resembling a mind. However, this didn't stop inventors throughout history from trying to build mechanical automatons capable of mimicking lifelike actions. From the ancient Egyptian scribe robot to the modern iteration of artificial intelligence. The true concept of a thinking machine did not take shape until the middle of the 20th century. In 1956, the Dartmouth Conference officially coined the term artificial intelligence. For the first time, scientists dared to ask, can a machine think like a human? To answer this question, they set out to create one. Throughout the 1960s and 70s, several milestones demonstrated that yes, machines could indeed think. Programs were created that could solve logic puzzles, play chess, and even understand simple language. However, progress was limited by the computers of their time. Expensive and time-consuming programming slowed development, leading to a loss of funding and interest, plunging the world into what would later be called the AI winter. But science does not stop. Throughout the 1990s and 2000s, machine learning and neural networks gave AI new life. Machine learning enables machines to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. By the mid-1990s, this technology was good enough to defeat a reigning world champion at his own game. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue defeated chess champion Garry Kasparov, who had previously beaten Deep Blue. The following decade saw further progress. In 2016, Google's AlphaGo overcame Lee Sedol, a human champion at the ancient Chinese board game Go, considered one of the most complex games in the world. Because Go requires intuition and creativity, many experts believed that a machine would never be able to beat a human at it. But AlphaGo proved them wrong. These victories marked a new era for AI, an era of machines that could learn, adapt, and in some cases surpass human mastery. Today, AI is everywhere. It recommends the music we hear, translates languages in real time, assists doctors in detecting diseases, and powers self-driving cars. What once belonged to science fiction has become part of everyday reality. We are living in the age of artificial intelligence. But this is only the beginning. The dawn has risen, yet the day of artificial intelligence is still unfolding. Will it be a future of unimaginable progress or challenges we are not yet prepared to face? The next chapter of AI is still being written. This video was made possible by a team of professional writers, researchers, and editors, all of whom are working to make complex topics easy to understand. They believe that everyone deserves a chance to learn about the world around them, and that knowledge is the key to understanding our past, navigating our present, and shaping our future. If you want to learn more about AI or other fascinating topics, check out the Learning Platform. It's free to use and full of engaging lessons created by passionate teachers. Whether you want to learn about AI, solar energy, special relativity, effective altruism, philosophy, or something else entirely, there's something for everyone. Thanks for watching this video.